I'm George McCranie, DUI and criminal defense attorney with offices in Valdosta and Douglas, Georgia. I've had some questions about the equal access rule in Georgia as it applies in marijuana or drug cases. And on this video, I wanted to discuss the issue of where multiple people are in a vehicle where marijuana or drugs are found and no one claims the drugs and everybody in the vehicle is arrested for the marijuana or the drug possession. Now this happens more often than you think. You have several people in a vehicle that stopped. One person has hidden marijuana or drugs in the car and doesn't take responsibility when that officer finds the drugs. Now, let me say first, my advice has always been don't let anyone in your vehicle or don't ride with anyone that you don't know what's in their pocket. If they could potentially have drugs on them, you're taking a serious chance of being arrested and going to jail along with everyone else in the car. Now second, be aware of where everyone in the car was seated. As a criminal defense lawyer, it's important to me exactly where everyone was seated. Now if the drugs were found, let's say under the driver's seat, and it was the driver's car, and you were, let's say, the rear passenger seat, all right, that's where you were seated, then that's very helpful information for me to have that the drugs were not yours and that there was equal access to these drugs. Now the doctrine of equal access in Georgia means that multiple parties could have had possession of the marijuana or drugs, and it's difficult or nearly impossible to determine that one person was in exclusive possession of the drugs. Now, however, you need to understand that each case is fact specific. And if all the people in the vehicle admit to the officer that they were all smoking marijuana in the car, then all the people in the car can also be in possession of the marijuana. Now, each case like this is dependent on each case's specific facts. That's very important. For more information on this topic or any other criminal defense or DUI topic, go to my website at www.totalduidefense.com or go on my YouTube channel.